I'm Dave Sudia. I'm a senior product engineer at Teleport. We have the easiest solution to access and secure all your infrastructure. So right now it's primarily for user education. As new users come to our website, it's actually the second thing you see under the engineer tab. There's documentation on the left and labs on the right, and we found it's a really great way. We have a very technical, complex product, right? You're securing all your infrastructure, and so we have breakouts for Kubernetes access, for VM access, for setting up Windows access, and it's a great way to get people through some concept in 20 minutes. And we see a great completion rate of the labs and people coming in to our call to action to find out more about the product. I kind of got into that about a month ago and really looking at the outcomes, and it's really helpful. I honestly think the most helpful part of the metrics that you provide are just the completion rates. I found that one of our labs was completely broken because it only had a 10% completion rate and it had a really low review. And so I wonder why that is, and I went to do it myself and went, oh, it's broken. And that's on us, not on you. Like, we had some things misconfigured, to be clear. And then it was very nice, once I fixed it, to see that number just shoot up, right? And the completion rate started reaching 100%, close to 100%, and the reviews went up really high. I think the most impressive thing is that you almost never get user feedback, and people actually do leave ratings. I mean, people have engagement on the platform. So yeah, we collect user data. We have a really strong call to action at the end, and so I think the strongest user data we get is just the UTMs on the link from the call to action, which is people leave it and come over to look into buying our product, right, and trialing it, which is what you're looking for is conversion, right, and I think that's the number one way we get user data out. For people who don't, I think in the future we'll probably start running some follow-ups and saying, hey, we saw you tried the Kubernetes thing, can we tell you any more about it? I think that's a future plan we probably have. Yeah, we're actively looking into several other use cases right now. So like I said, the core one right now is educating potential users, but we have corporate partners that resell and sell into other markets and stuff. And again, we're a very technical product, there needs to be education, and so we're really actively looking at using Instruqt to educate these partners and onboard them from a different perspective. It's great. I mean, that sounds like a dishonest answer, but it really is honest. There have been 3 issues that I've had with it, and actually they were all just I missed something in the docs, and I was able to get immediate support and fix the issue and move on. My core thing in the last couple months is we sort of hacked it all together. I did everything in pre-built VMs and shrunk our start time by about 75%. I've gotten people in a nicer user interface in there, and that was all really easy to do.